In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export issues into a CSV file in Jira. Let's get started by opening up Jira in your favorite web browser. Once you're on the Jira dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, particularly the main navigation panel on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll find the Filters option, which is crucial for our task today. Next, locate and click on Filters. It's positioned in the left-hand menu, and this is where you'll begin to refine and narrow down the list of issues you want to export. Once you've clicked on Filters, a drop-down appears with a few options. We're interested in all work items, so go ahead and click on that. This will display all the issues that are currently in your project, giving you a broad overview of what's at stake. With all the work items visible, you might want to perform a more tailored search. There's a search bar available where you can input specific criteria to filter the issues further. This could be filtering by assignee, status, or any other attribute that's relevant to your needs. This step is particularly handy if you're only looking to export certain types of issues rather than everything. Once you're satisfied with your filter settings, the next step is to look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see an export button there. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking export will trigger a drop-down menu offering a variety of file formats to export your issues. For our purposes, we want to select the CSV format. CSV files are great because they can be easily opened and manipulated in spreadsheet applications like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, making data analysis much more manageable. In the drop-down menu, you'll notice a couple of CSV options. One is usually labeled something like Export to CSV current fields, and the other as Export to CSV all fields. Choose the Export to CSV current fields if you're happy with the current view, or Export to CSV all fields if you want every possible data field included in your export. Once you've made your selection, your browser will begin downloading the CSV file. Keep an eye on your downloads folder, as this is where your file will typically save. After the download is complete, you can open the file with your preferred spreadsheet software to view and analyze your exported issues. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Jira issues into a CSV file, which you can now use for further data analysis or reporting purposes. Thanks for following along with this tutorial today. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more actionable guides. Happy Jira exploring!